In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the project tool, drawing tool. This is actually probably one of my most used tools. This is one of my favorite things. It's incredibly useful. And the more you use it, the more you'll find uses for it. And so what it does is it allows us to take a piece of geometry or a part of the part that we've already created and create an outline for that somewhere else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new sketch on this part that I already have open. I put it, you may have noticed, right on this bottom face down here. And I'm going to repeat this curvy part at the bottom. So I've created the sketch, and next I'm going to use the Project Geometry tool. So I'm going to select that tool. As usual, if you hover over it, it's going to give you help. I'm going to select that tool. I'm going to click on this shape that we have. And as you can see, it created an outline of that down here on that face that I previously clicked on to make the sketch. So I can now finish the sketch, and I can go to extrude this, and we'll make that 0.1. And yeah, that looks good. So there it is. So that's one use of the Project Geometry tool. I'm going to show you another one with this heart container. And so what I have here is I have a container, but let's say I have a lid that I want to fit on this, and I want to create a lip here so that there's an overlap between the lid and the bottom of this heart container. So once again, I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to pick this face here for that sketch, and I'm going to get our project geometry. And actually, I'm going to combine this now with the offset tool that we previously learned. So now that I've projected all this geometry, I can create an offset and say I want to make a lip here, let's say 0.1 inches thick. And I can finish the sketch, and I can go back and extrude this outer part, and maybe I'll extrude that 0.25, and we'll extrude it the opposite direction so that it removes material. And now I have a lip that the lid of this could overlap. All right, that concludes the video on the project tool.